This is an optional help video for question number 5. Question number 5 says, write a professional paragraph that answers the following prompt. Each day, technology is changing and becoming more complex. From powerful social media to cutting-edge research, technology is increasingly influential in our lives. Based on the 3 articles we read, do you think we should set any limits on technology development? Your professional paragraph should demonstrate your ability to write an argument that analyzes the provided text and supports a claim using valid reasoning and relevant claims. Make sure to use evidence from the articles to support your answer. Okay, so I've underlined really the main question here. Should we set limits on technology development? Just to spur your thinking, I'm going to ask you a few questions. So first of all, should we set limits on Facebook? Are they too powerful, right? Should we set limits on getting new phones? Are we making too much e-waste, or is that a cost that's worth it? Are we making too much stuff, burning too many fuels, making too much waste, and contributing to global warming? The other side of the argument, of course, would be, you know what, for human civilization, for humans, we need to keep advancing technology because it helps us with medicine, it helps us save lives, it helps us do more things like explore outer space, fly faster, drive faster. So we need to keep pushing technology. If we put limits, we're going to stop that, and we're not going to keep advancing as a civilization. Those are kind of the 2 arguments. Which argument do you agree with? Okay. To help you, make sure you click on this right here. This is your professional paragraph handout, which you can use, and I highly recommend you using. There's an example right there. We've used this all year. Remember, you need 2 pieces of evidence. 2 pieces of evidence. Okay? For this, I've also given you a couple topic sentences. I'm going to read these. You might not see this on your screen, but I'll read it to you, and you can pause this video and copy these down if you want. One option would be, we should set limits on technology development because why? Option 2 would be, we should not set limits on technology development because why? After that, remember you have your context, evidence, explanation. You do it again. Context, evidence, explanation, and finally your conclusion. Remember, everything is right here. Okay? I'm even going to make a note here. Make sure you use, I'm going to change this to 2 pieces of evidence. Make that really bold. Whoops. Oh man, Miss Zach is struggling here. 2 pieces of evidence. So you remember the importance of having 2 pieces there. Okay, good luck. Reach out if you have questions.